Ebushamaimo akwaba info Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambekebi. Ebusamo Mr. Bisa. Na me tina ho na me dwindwin sa na me bisa me hu say. Eya Sofo Oduro, Sofo Owusu Bempah, and some of these big men of God are your Ghana. Omuso omutofu oni bidie. Maybe something a question that just occurred to me as I was recording even for this section. Do they buy fuel? Do they buy commodities, say toast, pepper, and all those? Do they? Ya doom light our area be ma. Se osofo no our area na ma. Eya ni light cut off. Na se the light cut off na e bia our plant and generator mpo no. Eya omu koto fuel no. E dey be good generator na mu no, ni plant na mu no. Eya omu feel pain na. And now they are immune. Bibi kushin no more financially. Because minim sikafo bebre around this time they have even come out to say oh, dang, diesel I 20 series plus. Super nenam, baby nenam, and all no. Dang, then ekoso. Sikafo. And see when I a Sunday, I intentionally move from one church to the other on my live streams to hear the preaching say. Sa asofofo ananka anda kuforo no my no beg. And I will, and I know Daniel, and I saw Musenio, and all those things na. Nama ekoswa, and then toast 5 for 20 cities no. Almost omunto biana. Na se omuto bi pa dia. Why are they silent? Why are they quiet? Why are they not speaking? Asofofo a omuto me de laptop eko sorry na mu koye expose you was screen no so and ansio we uko Uganda say ansio no tie oba Ghana say ansio no tie all those things no enne ye claim say inflation will form and nema will form anema nko ye no sa asofofo no ade na mo ye din yen pinema mu ye din. We will not sit down and watch you being quiet. No. Whatever it is, you must speak. Because we know the same way Yakupon Afremo. Now, be Yakupon Afremo be no canocre. Until let's even assume, say, Asemana Muka and Akufa na nukre. Okay, no problem. And then so Muka no. And we'll force you to speak the truth. We'll force you to preach the truth. And the truth in say, now man call you or mine. Why are you quiet? Uncle for bre, nurses for bre, teacher for bre, students bre. Obia bre, government workers bre, private sector workers bre. And dry young man di catch me say, the salary 750 cedis. Oye juma wakra. 750 cedis no say Accra to Kumasi 220 cedis. And in the salary nkwan so person ko Kumasi mba eko visiting in Ibusu and Fokwan on timinko. Ade. When you na so for mu. Is
that what the Bible teaches us? And what the Christianity, the Christian values, Christian values are we are being day in, day out. Our church, you know. How many of our leaders hold on to those beliefs? Everybody can tell you, say, most of agencies, most of the workplaces, they are more disciplined and hardworking than I'm telling you. Because Obi ultimately sorry 4 a.m. there to do ablution and pray. Then pray is it 5 times in every day. Anyone who is able to do that discipline will be disciplined when you do more wherever you put the person. We shall let's power tap share live reviews for reporting. Now that's me casting boni biaye. And say I'm reporting. And this if we right. Obi bia or discipline about the time, about the prayer life, would succeed in any aspect or any way you put that person.
first minament up why.
Oh, man say na bet me abem kura kasa. Bet me abem. Ye
Me
ka
see
about
I'm
religion of Dr. Mahmoud Ba. Me for ka say Dr. Mahmoud Ba me ekremoni ntino. On ti me di o mine so. What do you think about this?
me drive into me say be na ide de bi abe ma fa che me why. Na
Yo yet
odi
you.
kan me chia na etiafo amuole so na Ghana ne de odwene ho a se ne wonte se ne etie kora se but mo de ba wumia ye kremuni and won't mean the president. Who told you say that mo de ba wumia ye
Hey,
kremuni? Na ontimi nyɛ president na yɛka sɛ kristoni kora kristoni ne hwan kristoni ne obi a ɔdwene nnipa ho ɛnyɛ kristoni ne obi a saa mmerɛ yɛ ayi ghana yɛyɛ demonstration yi a yɛgyegyekyekyɛ ɔmo buruburu wɔ mu yi na wode dɔtɔ wode ma ɔmu yɛtoto sɛbisɛbi ayi wɔnyɛ sɛbi asɛm pa yɛ papa ma ama ho a mwan pa na kristo so wɔ ne mu mwan pa na kristo so wɔ ne mu bible sɛ nipadua ne awurade asɔredan ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛ akɔ asɔre dɛm wɔ de so nipa no yɛ kristoni wo ne yɛ wusu pan wadwina wodwiri fɛ nipa wo na ɛkyɛ sɛ woyɛ kristoni na yɛka sɛ ghanafoɔ ka sɛ dɔtoma woduma omia ɛtima ma yɛ president a mede mefi sɛ propaganda bi na ɔmo sateɛ because ɛde ghanafoɔ ani ate paa ghanafoɔ ani da hɔ paa because dɔtoma woduma omia bibia no wɔkyɛ sɛ ɔyɛ kramoni ti deɛ ɔnyɛ nipa ɔyɛ kramoni ti ɔnyɛ nipa huh? Sasumani Sadi Lokade, I don't say we will go forward this time, lesson I have an. So where you cremonina, Trabal is not one the year, you know. Should the road boy, man, a whole blast, yeah. When a whole blast, yeah, papa, Yami Suma won you Ubuni Pankasa, over home blast Yankasa. There was a Christonia, there be our or was sorry, there, ma, or one in Semna war saddle on the sandy panel, or in a young friend say, Namis Bamuku on the honor. What is a Samila Bawumia? Only accuse the crowd Bawumia say, well, you were an ask what your name say, yes, some mamma for the crowd Bawumia can say, or your community day. Meme wo se kemo fokwa doni pase Christopher. Kremoni odo sakremoni ekomodi ni nya kredi nia Christo ye kwa ye Christopher. Edu achiwi atama. Ye wo de wi o musi ema ye nuane. So de kremoni atena penya. So what I say, eh, tell me the young go for a crowd there. A propaganda be on mobile best stats here. The 2028 Ghana for, but a Ghana for near papa. And go for baby so by a mistake. Come on, to about the throw the womia. And here we are Ghana, yes, so what I say, eh, tell me the voice. I don't know, we are not going for that. Why you come on it when you nipa? You chop with your chest at the throw the womia, a mojama,
Yasemu. Yasem.
a mojama. Now,
Oh.
tribalism, you create for him. Every hinny. Yeah, pray because it's 2024. No, I don't know more. Yes, and Asante 4 and a blue 4 and so a blue chief. We so on when you post that said, Yenny baby, on to me go school. Ghana for it's time for us to open our brain. Now you take to say, no more, yeah, they're very selfish because sa a chairman no a friends a ohene no what so what campaign asem for junior ono na ne ho atodo e bia me nua bruni bi ne ba na go school free and nam say no te priority ne mind ne ti no a wo city a asante region and asante for and the NPP for no and them mo hwe de Ghana hage and the more trade of my Ghana. And this year the Ghana, yes, me did because campaign be now one more by no. Oh, show us sitting they are selfish Ghana no. Omo ye campaign at the omo here for omo here for who omo do almost selfishness. Nankado my hene and come on one of the chief justice. I'm a school near be a school mono. Ego kwaje hwe ayitwekum chacha hwekum chacha ne nsem hu na no wokeka na fuo de na muti mo yesa nkofo de nya efuo me ama hia ni bi hia ni baby kwati mi to electricity hia ni baby banti mi go school edu abato a now you hear ni this is what you have to think because Ghana no ye campaign na most of them are very selfish they don't think about the here you know they think about themselves the voice.
Me
This
that's it.
forward. Why you clamoni
You.
kwa yi pa? Why you clamoni a? Oh you clamoni no de a digitization ni ba ye no. Oh you clamoni no
Mm.
o dead identification card ba ye no. Oh you
Mm.
clamoni and so my drum system. Oh you
Yeah.
clamoni. What are you
Yeah.
guys talking about? Oh, we are
Mm.
not going to wait. Thank you so much.
Excellent communication from my mother, Auntie Selena, Ama Papa V. I mean, look, we have the men and we have the women. No? I mean, I just even feel saying closing show because why be there? Obi ultimately vice president there, and cancel a cremony. Now, if that's only president, they say a cremony. Does not make any sense. I think the next person here, Uncle Brady official, but your Bremonia. Uncle Brady, I'm muting. Yo, yanko, 5 minutes, fire.
Yo, that's pa. A program where the yes, we are papa. I see educate you. Says me mistake. New York, the whole New York City. Me and we cramoni.
Yeah. So one McDaniel.
Yes. I don't see anything wrong with that. Cramoni. Na onim dia. Obebo omana. Be omana tumpon. Na ni nemo ye no vice president ya nhwe nemo ya de ni anka so ye kramoni. And moreover nso no me per se me personal view no a Christopher na di ehwammo. This is the time I say track kramoni ni ehwe against the Christian. Ye hu omamamu no mu. Ye experience kramoni bia wo Ghana da. This is the first attempt. Esi ye nyina ye bo na chidom ni hu. What is it? Because ye most ye Christian for na omu on Sankofo omu so ya tembia no omu site tribal and they afede they call legion. This time round em fa enya adwuma. Amanfo na omu kasa kofo ko be say ade e
Yenkotia, but omi be president, obeku sorry no, obeku sorry no. How?
that's how no kan. Obegu so
How?
Nigeria kura na nkamfo ndos won president bi obaba oye Muslim ogu asori oda. Ogu asori.
Bisa bio.
It's not possible. Nti sembo omu ntumfuto nwa nipa ni o. Wangaza mu hu mama mu onu suna ze nkoyi a mamu fa nkofifa bibia so. Yem fa kramoni so mra ne hu di ekoso because kramoni nu nyansa na ono wo no Christian ni nsu wo bia esa since yenya independent yenya kramoni president da. Yenya ni hu because Christian for mu disappoint ye. Obitimi tia no ama one man church. Ti so Owusu Bempah ne kumchacha mo ebe keka nsem bi cho no ma giedi. How? Sofo Oduro one man church. Me omu nyina wo ho makeka omu anu atum. Omakeka omu anu atum de ekoso nya obi antimi nka. Okoso ya to omu nyina. So ti ase. Na kramoni de kramoni ba ebe difficult hwe. Kramoni am de nkoto ayi friend say am de nkoto we national lotteries. When was smart no. It's against their region. Yes.
Yeah.
Omo afran alaji loto. Ono ankasa
Yeah.
ono asmatu no ono ankasa hu. Nti omo yankofo bi a won ye principles pa I'm telling you. See you ba mi a mo bi a nyana dwen so emre o take over mantle na e be say we are in a good country and we have a good leader who is continue the good job of Nana Adodan Akufo-Addo. Nti ono de me kamoni ba mani gyan papa all the time they na me advocate no. But you say message na anko down. Boys, why are they pa said this time we started communication at the amount for be the use of religion you did twinche you focus on who can do the job.
Yeah.
Not because we're a community. If you can do the job, look. But me and by some community commit my digital, make my drone, make my Ghana card. And yet only one person, the whole nation, everybody is benefiting from it.
Yeah.
It is happening here. You probably or did not dream bebo man, and yet in terms of religion. Yes, I'm the can. Now you also on your Assemblies of God friends say elders there. Almost to be tuneful. Almost to be tuneful. Almost young one no dibony, almost to be tuneful. Yeah, because or no or starting na or ye ni politics o di ni opponent attempt o di na attempt ne ni nkura ni di attempt bia na say man for air fair on say ya no dey okochi wo but you on ni a benefit of that e no dey ba power you see
Yo, me that's it. Me that's it.
me support to kramoni pass over president me
That's it. Yo, Uncle Brittany, that's it. Ye Christo Sumuno insult no enye allowed, right? And if you want to start judging people by the things they do, then anybody who is able to say we are talking about the economy stupid is not qualified to be even called a Christian. But we overlook all these things. When have you ever heard say Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia Babonti to insult anybody before?
Never.
Look at the kind of humility Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia exude anytime you see him in public domain. And even those of us who have encountered him even in private can tell us that the man is full of humility. Now, wait me buama your economy around 300 billion cedis. Yet me the call over 1 trillion Ghana cedis. Economy Akufo-Addo Bawumia handed over to them 1.2 trillion Ghana cedis. We more than 3 times multiplied economy and the onye kremoni. Nipa obeye paperless pot. First, before we go you container everything mahabwa, jinya me plastic chairs. Jisa oye fasting, aya kwantre, ebisa kupo se onboa wo, etua hu bribes ansana. Wait na you wa container every habo. Paperless pot aba on yadi buy. Ultimate na ofie clear container. Container no nyam bedroom po ye no, ultimate clear. Drone delivery I buy no met me catch on nipa that drone save your life no enye easy because me kai pass I was at the Dome hospital I want me ward no human be wo now one immense mo but what can no farm now once or what cow pen no act against other friend anticoagulants body mo. Right, and Nipano, the woman was there, and we could only give her normal saline until Nipano because at time no, not drone neho, and ne or under Bawumia, anytime there is a need for serum no, within 30 minutes, not drone need diaba, within 15 minutes, not drone need diaba, and we don't kremuni.